grapes, figs, peaches, apples, plums, pomegranate, and dragon fruit. Hi friends, welcome to Seed to Life. I'm going to show you my fruit trees today. So this is my fig tree. We got it around 4 years back, and the first year it fruited. The second year during the freeze, it just died, and it came back. It came back very strongly, and you can see the four branches coming out of the main shoot. The main shoot has already died, and I had to cut off the wood, dead wood. But the because of this, the shape of the tree has become very beautiful, rounded, and it is productivity is also higher. Even if during freeze, if one or two branches die, I'm sure that this tree will come back, and at least part of the branches will survive. It has already started producing like tons of free figs, and I haven't got any so far. But you can see they are very tiny at this moment, and they're at various stages of development. There are some big ones too. So you can see so many of them are there, and they're all hidden. So far, birds haven't noticed them. So I'm keeping an eye on them. As soon as they start ripening, I can just take some because I love figs. You can see the figs here, they're big, and they will be ready in a few weeks, I guess couple of weeks. I'm just waiting so eagerly for that. It is so much fun to find them hiding under the leaves, and then watching them grow, and when they're ready to pluck them off the tree and eat them fresh. Even the leaves of the fig trees are very beautiful, and they can be used for various art projects. And this is my sweet cherry tree, and you can see it is growing in the pot. It's a big tree, and it is supposed to be in the ground, then it grows much faster, but I have kept it in the pot for a reason. I have heard that cherry trees roots, they are very superficial, and they can grow into the foundation of the houses and can cause damage. So I didn't want to take that risk. So I have kept it in the pot. It stays outside during freeze days, and it gets the necessary freeze hours. And it has done well for the past 2 years. But even this year, actually, it produced some flowers and immature fruits. But the fruits didn't mature. It's fine. I mean, I can wait 1 or 2 years more. As it is, the soil in this region is clay soil, and the roots of most of my trees, they're growing horizontally. So when I'm trying to plant something next to a big tree, I can see the roots coming out. Even I have seen that the apple tree root, it has given to a new tree, and it is growing on the at some distance from my apple tree. I believe as time passes and I add more and more organic matter to the soil, it will get healthier, and the roots will go deeper. Now say hi to my olive tree. It is also potted. I don't remember which variety it is, but it is a patio variety. That means it cannot bear freeze for a longer time. However, it is just growing foliage and not any fruit so far. The tree is quite big, so I was hoping to get some olives this year. Let's see if I get some. I try to keep this tree, out during winter for a longer time than usual, and maybe I'll bring it out in the spring earlier than the usual. And it will get some freeze hours necessary for it, and I'll just keep watching it during that time to prevent any frost damage. And this is my blueberry plant, and you can see there are two of them. The next one is also blueberry, but this is the bigger one, and it is producing some yummy blueberries. I will get them if I'm lucky and if birds leave me any. But usually even before they ripen, they just like to eat the blueberries. I don't know why, they just like to play with the fruits. This is my orange tree. It was much bigger when I got it, and now if you can see, it is very tiny. So definitely it is not doing well, maybe because of the temperature drops. I don't know what is wrong with this pot. Something is wrong and it is not doing well. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. In the garage, I kept it outside, but every year it just dies back to a lot, like to the main stem and then comes back. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like my garden. I am going to come up with more such videos. If you like them, please subscribe to my channel and post your suggestions in the comments.